So I popped one of those eggs, and every excellent throw on a Whalmer, of which there were a bajillion to choose from, was 4,600 XP.
I can do that.
I got 380,000 XP in an hour. It's pretty fucking gorgeous.
Yeah.
I love that kind of stuff. Alright, I'm gonna do straight rifles. Late hero, because human, I'm not as worried about a devastating harass against double human.
Okay.
Oh, and I'll get a record going, just in case we have something amazing.
Ready
You
to
never
work.
know.
Need more gold. Work. Ready to work. We need more gold. Ready to work.
I might go tinker second. It's my old
Work complete. Work
human
complete.
plan.
Yeah, I like that. Haven't done that in a while. Wouldn't mind a little tinker action. Robo Tinker activate. Let's do it.
Ready to work.
I like some Robo Tinker.
Yes. Okie dokie. Can't build that. Be happy to. What do you want? Ready to work. Work complete. We need more gold. We need more gold.
Brewed something up here. I'm not gonna have enough wood to make my first rifle when my building's finished. Oh, I lied. Everybody just came back with wood at the exact proper moment. Thank you, good sirs. Sincerely appreciated.
Be happy to. Work. Oh. Yes.
And my base is sufficiently walled.
What do you want? Yes, Lord. Work I am yours. What task is there? Excellent choice.
I'm gonna go
and obey.
mage.
Yes, Lord.
I usually go mage against double human. I don't like to
am
have
yours.
them with an aura and us without.
Oh, what task is there? Yes, Lord. Take to my
God, I
blade.
love this side base. If I have to have a side base, I want this to be the one. It's a nice side base.
What task is there? Oh, I am yours. My life for the Lord. What do you want? Yes, Lord. I am yours. Yes.
Third rifle building, mage almost done.
Oh,
Be
what
popping out
task
at
is
night
there?
to go creep,
What
just as it
task is
normally
there?
would.
Oh.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Please. Work complete. I am yours. Yes, Lord. Are you hero?
Mage out. Time to creep.
Yes, Lord. Excellent choice. Oh, I am yours. What task is there? We're under attack.
I'm gonna go straight across the map, send a peon now. I'm gonna go for the opposite quell.
Yes, Lord. Excellent choice. Oh, yes. Where you want me go? I am yours. What task is there? Something need doing? Be happy. Yes, Lord. Yes. Oh.
100 wood, 100 gold, expo.
What task is there?
Thank you.
Yes. What task is there?
I haven't seen anything in the middle at all.
Yes, Lord.
Yep.
Are you hero and obey? Just for suit. Who you want me to?
Okay, buying my shit and going across the map.
Yes.
Okay, crops
You need to
there.
get the other you need to get the other camp.
Yeah.
Are you hero and obey? Task is there.
50 gold. Regen scroll so I can get moving. I blew 50 on a critter. Thank you. I was fast building, so it's very hard for me to do anything. Watch it! You got company.
I know.
You got company.
Are you hero and obey? We're under excellent choice. Oh.
I think they're both here.
I'm going across. Drag him away.
Hero and obey.
You already got your P on there.
Hero and
I'm
obey.
doing my thing.
Yes, Lord.
I'm gonna go get us that camp.
What task is there? Upgrade.
Got towers going up in the base on the
Yes,
expo.
Lord. Excellent choice. What do you want?
Setting us up
My
good
guy
right now.
is ready
Task
to
is there.
expand.
Yeah, I'm with you. I see it.
I am
Okay.
yours.
Set up.
Oh,
Creeping.
systems
Now.
yes, Lord. I am yours.
I'm
Oh,
all geared up.
what
What you
task
got?
is there? Yes, Lord.
Engine's running.
What task
I'm all
is there?
geared up.
Of course, of all the items to get, what would I get? What would be the item I would get? Congar's pipe of mother effing insight.
Systems go. Engine's running. What you got? What you got?
Yes.
Healing.
Something need doing. What task is
2 towers up at the expo. Do
Engine's running.
you want to come over here and get your shop going?
there? Yes. Okie dokie. Something need doing.
We'll be teching as soon as possible. I'm using my shredder to help creep,
I can do that.
and then TPing home.
Work. I can
How
do
you doing on wood?
Oh,
Oh, good, never mind.
Just bought a shredder, but I don't have any extra.
yes, Lord.
Okay. I want to tech. I want to get my tech going as soon as I can here.
I'm all geared up.
Alright. Creeping. Now.
Oh,
What you
Okay,
got?
you didn't get
yes,
the
Lord.
middle.
Hey, yes.
Oh, there you
I'm
go.
all geared up.
Are you
All
hero
systems
and
go.
obey? Ready to work. Oh,
Engine's running. Engine's running.
our town is under attack.
Is that a demonic figurine? Are you gonna need TP?
I don't think so.
Doing. What do you want?
Okay.
Research yes.
Get ready to start. You can start making your expo. Make it.
Something need doing.
You're finishing creeping it now. Start making your expo. Build it on the top side.
I'm all geared up. Right.
What happened?
Oh, yes.
I was
Build.
very,
Something need doing. I am yours.
very close to killing a
What
mage.
task is there?
Engine's running.
What do you want? Okie dokie. Be happy to. Yes, Lord.
All systems go.
Going into Arcwell.
Happy to. What do you want?
Got my shredder. He's home.
Yes, Lord.
He's doing his thing. I got the thing up here.
What task is there?
I'm all geared up.
Buying a Zeppelin. Sending it across the map. Then down.
Work.
Yep. That's good. That's good.
Our town is
This is
under
coming up ace.
attack.
Oh shit! They're up there. Cancel it.
What the fuck? Why
Of
are
all
they there?
things. That's hysterical. Alright, well, it's okay, we didn't sneak it, but we might be able to go sneak one
I am
eventually.
yours.
What you got?
Oh,
So,
They were
Might be
not
possible.
supposed to go
Excellent
there. That
choice.
was
Engine's
wrong.
running.
what task is there? Excellent choice. Are you
I'm
hero
all geared
and
up.
obey?
maybe get ready to run up there with a tiny haul.
Happy to.
I don't
Okie
have access to one yet, but
Yes, Lord.
When you do. I mean, when you do.
All
I
systems
am
go.
yours.
Okay, creep in Arquo, get your workers over here.
Work complete. Something is doing? Be happy to. We're under attack. Work complete.
Let's go out. I'm on
I
top.
am yours.
He's expanding, he's got workers going up there.
Excellent.
You might be able to go,
Oh my God.
Are you hero and obey? Yes.
every unit he has is almost dead. I'm about to kill all of it.
okay, he's literally going up there right now to expand.
Work complete. We're Attack!
He's in the middle. Heads up.
Are you hear and obey?
All systems go. Let's roll out.
Okay, I just killed like 4
Excellent choice. Hey,
What you got?
workers.
I can handle that. I'm on top of it.
Amulet of the
Coming.
wind. Yep.
work complete. Work complete. Work complete. What task is there?
I'm gonna need money.
Yeah, I got you. I got plenty of money. Got you covered there.
Engine's running.
Complete.
Money's rolling. Wood's what's hurting right now. How we doing on orbs? Orbs?
Orbs are just up now.
Oh, beautiful. Buying one now.
Yes, Lord.
I'm all geared up.
Okay, bringing over all my workers. Starting to build.
Systems go.
Get KWO up. Go check
I'm
this.
all geared up.
I am yours.
Engine's
Oh, I can check it right now. I'm scanning it.
What
Go.
task is there?
Get up there with the blade.
Oh, I am yours.
What you got?
Okay.
Work, work. Okie dokie. Work, work.
Making the base now.
I can do that. Happy what task is there?
Engine's running.
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Excellent research complete.
All systems go.
Want to see something? With my power.
I'm going top base.
I am yours.
Buying some orbs. My orbs are up. Oh Jesus, I forgot to buy mine. My orbs are coming up here in a moment.
Oh.
An idiot. I was all excited because I was gonna go buy with the Mountain King, and I
I'm all
tried to do
geared
too
up.
many things at once. I'm bringing over one of your workers. I just saw it in my expo,
Engine's
and then I'm
running.
gonna expand up here. You blading up top?
What
Yeah,
task is there?
he's guarding it.
Yes. Excellent choice.
I'm all geared up. Are you threatening me? What you got? Yeah, baby.
I am complete. Are you hero and obey? Yes.
Paladin.
Happy to. What task is there? Are you hero and obey?
All systems go. Yeah, baby.
Shit, I'm gonna.
All systems go.
What do we got? Want to fight it? What's going on over
No,
there?
it's fine, it's fine.
Excellent choice. Yes,
Okay, I'm creeping top base.
I'm all geared
Creeping up here. Gonna
Engine's
expand.
running.
I am
What
yours.
you got? Engine's running. What you got?
Killed a
Another
hero.
another worker on your island. Another one of your workers on our island. Sorry, I'm not talking right.
You want.
Okay.
Work, work. Yes, Lord.
Matt Castle. Paladin's
We need
almost
more
made.
gold. Yes, Lord. What task
All
is there?
systems go. All systems go.
Oh,
Engine's running.
Paladin's out.
Buying more orbs.
Yeah, I gotta buy a
I'm
second
all
orb
geared
right
up.
now. I'm gonna go buy that
work
right now. That'll be my second one.
Yes, Lord.
What you got?
Oh,
What you got?
What task
I'm on
is there?
top.
Backtracking to take this. Oh, I gotta put my tiny hall down.
Research doing.
Okay, Paladin buying my second orb here in about 10 seconds.
I am yours. Yes,
The engine's running.
I am yours. Hey, yes.
I'm all geared up.
Work
I can
complete.
handle that. All systems go.
Research complete. Yes, Lord.
Engine's running.
Okay, got my second orb.
Be happy to.
I have all kinds. I'm buying all my staffs of Sanctuary. I'm up to 4 staffs already.
All systems go.
Level 5 Mage. Level 2 Mountain King.
What?
Guess what I'm doing? Because I'm at an item shop. To make you happy. What would I be buying?
Staff a teleport.
Yeah,
Yeah,
baby.
baby! Alright, map's pretty much prep. What's going on up here?
They were defending it the last time I went there.
Okie dokie.
I think we gotta check that out, don't we?
All systems go.
Yes, Lord.
I'm all geared up. Are you threatening me?
Work complete.
I mean, they're very
Engine's
passive
running.
and defensive.
Yes.
I'm not sure what we want to do. As long as we're getting money.
Work complete. Work. Something need doing? Huh? I can do that. Okie dokie.
Thank you for saying what you just said. It reminded me I had made workers
What you
at
got?
that shop in the top. So thank you for that.
Yes,
Good, sir.
Lord. I am yours.
Engine's
Gonna
running.
attack here.
There's nothing there. I just scanned it. I have an orb
Geared
of
up.
whatever it is,
Ready to
visibility.
work.
Attack here then.
Okay. Good idea.
There's
I am
armies
yours.
here.
What you got?
Okay.
Rifles.
Yes,
Attack
Lord.
the top, I
Systems
guess.
Okay.
This army's probably not there now.
Are you threatening me?
How are we doing down here? Any expo possibility?
I tried once. They were running something over there. I just got
Something
this.
need doing?
Okay, good.
I'd like to get the top left. But,
What?
oh my
Oh,
god!
there.
What you
There's
got?
armies here too.
Right. You know what? That's an army we can take if I use all my summons. I'm coming there.
What?
I'm coming to you right now.
I am
I'm all
yours.
I got
Yeah.
TPs. I can
You're
get out.
not
If
close enough.
I'm gonna run up there right now.
What you got?
Yes, Lord.
Engine's running.
What?
I'm just organizing my items. Get what I need. All right, on my way. Yeah, poke fun it. That's good. Poke at it. I'm coming.
All geared up.
I am yours.
We're shredding
All
stuff. Towers are going up
What you got?
pretty fast in the main.
I am
All
yours.
systems go.
Oh. I am yours.
Engine's running.
Okay, I'm coming in on you. Let's go.
Yes,
Fight.
Lord.
I'm all geared up.
Mage.
What you got? On top. You're terminated.
They're behind
Hey,
us.
below us. Yep. Fight the teal. Fight on teal. This is all right for us still.
Systems go. Engine's running.
Popping healing ward.
I'm leaving, I'm leaving, I'm leaving.
Okay, I'm out.
Damn it.
I'm all geared up.
Ah, so close.
Engine's running.
Our hero has been slain.
Buy-in. I have all my orbs from you. I need no more orbs.
Systems go.
Okay.
What you got?
I am yours. Excellent choice. What task is there? Are you hero and obey? Excellent choice.
What you got? All systems go. I'm all geared up.
Oh. For the burning blade!
What's happening down here? Oh, you're going after that? Okay. Good. I'm mining I'm mining 4 bases right now, so
Engine's
we're
running.
doing okay. I love a beautifully passive game sometimes.
They're going for this. Can you, with not much, can you, maybe it's a lot.
On my way. How much is? Oh, yeah, that's a lot. That's a full caster
Yeah,
on.
but it's not, they can't do much damage.
Okay, coming.
Teleporting?
Yep.
I am yours.
Engine's running.
Go on the heroes. Paladin first. I'm going right on him.
All systems go. Engine's running.
Alright. That's more money.
Money.
What you got? I'm all geared
Yes,
up.
Lord.
I have a tiny hall that there's nowhere to put it now. Like,
Steal their expo. They're idiots. You're not even looking at it.
is it still empty?
It was a moment ago. I have towers. Scan it if you want.
I'm all geared up.
Start queuing them in.
What
All
task is
systems
there?
go.
What task is there?
Full speed ahead.
Yes. Happy to. under attack! I am yours. Yes! Excellent choice. Yes, Lord.
What you got? I can handle
So we
that.
got all the orbs we need.
Oh! Ha! Taste my day!
All my heroes got orbs. I actually have an extra orb. I bought an extra one. I have an orb of fire
Engine's running.
that I'm technically not even really using
running.
or able to use
Let's
at the
roll
moment.
out. I'm on top of it. Yeah, baby.
Okay,
I
it
can
looks like
handle
I'm
that.
about to die.
Let's roll out.
My base is... Well, I don't know. It depends how much
Yes,
they chase
Lord.
me.
Are you hero and obey? Yes! I am yours. Work our town is under attack!
The base is sufficiently towered at this point.
I think this is done for.
Yes,
I'm fine
Lord.
with it.
Yep, let it fall. They don't even know we have the quo. They haven't scanned it yet.
Work complete.
You wanna pick at
I
anything?
am
Okay,
yours.
Knight's coming in
Are
now.
you
All right,
hero
All
and
geared
I'm
up.
gonna finish getting the quo up.
All systems go. What you got?
My gold mine
Ready to
collapsed in my main. That's always a
Oh.
great sign.
Go.
What?
I'm
Our
all geared
town
up.
is under attack!
Mine is about to go.
Whether you are gold mine is collapsed.
Still mining upper right. It's getting all the upgrades I could ever want in the interim.
Ready to work.
Full speed ahead.
Oh,
The engine's running.
I am yours. Ready to work. Excellent choice. Yes, Lord. Our
you got?
town is under attack.
The engine's running.
What?
What you got?
There.
I'm on
I
top
am
of it.
yours. Yes, Lord.
I'm all geared up.
Okay, it's fully falling.
What task is there?
Okay.
Our town is under attack.
I have 7k. I'm sure you have a shitload. We're good.
I have 5k.
Yes.
They just came in. Oh yeah, there you go. Coming in on the quo. There they have it. They just brought all their knights in. Quo. Here, can pick off some knights. You want to get in on this?
Systems go. Hello.
Maybe.
Oh.
Engine's running.
You really think we can pick anything off? Yeah. I'm just gonna hit something else. I'm not.
Please running. All right. Well, I'm gonna pick stuff off then. Yep. Swinging
I
it.
think I'm gonna save this.
All right. Do it up.
Our town is under attack.
I just killed a knight.
What task is there?
Oh my god.
Now I'm going after a paladin.
Engine's
Never
running.
mind.
Yes,
They're all
sir.
there,
Thank
but
you.
I found
Task
creeps.
is there.
I'm gonna kill creeps.
What you got?
Okay. Yeah, let it fall. I'm fine with that.
Our town is under attack.
All systems go. I'm all geared up.
I am yours.
Engine's running.
Our allied town is being
You're on top
attacked.
left.
What you
Task
got?
is there. Yes, Lord. Work
All
complete.
systems go.
Up. I'm already ready to save this. I'm ready to save the shit in my main.
Are you threatening me?
So we're golden.
Our allied town is being
Lots of knights. Kodos. Get a kodo. Already got invisibility researched.
Alright.
Kodo eats. Kodo snacks. Keep levels on track.
What
Shit, I
task
lost
is
one
there?
of my shredders. I wasn't
Our
watching
allied
close.
Geared
town
up.
is being attacked.
Let's roll out.
They got siege. Okay, they got a lot of siege.
I'm all geared
I need
up.
I need a thing. I gotta be able to retrain immediately.
Alright.
High priority. Get one as fast as you can, please, and get down to the quo.
Being attacked.
I'm making the siege as well in the quo, so I have the counter siege
Let's
ready.
roll out.
What task is there?
But please prioritize getting me that as fast as you can. I'm actually gonna try and just go and get it now. I'm gonna try and go get it myself. So hold on.
Allied town is being attacked.
On top.
This is dead.
Gonna send, okay. I'm gonna send workers there right now.
Complete.
What you got?
I have a lot of lumber. too.
I already have shit en route.
Yes, Lord.
I'm all geared up.
Okay, tumor retraining, retrained, on the mage,
Yeah,
good to go.
baby.
I am Our allied town is being attacked. What?
Engine's running.
Oh.
What you got?
Oh. Hey. What?
I'm all geared up.
They found upper base,
Systems
upper
go.
right. Saving the workers.
Yes, Lord.
Oh, fucking balls! He had a tower. He had towers. It stopped me from getting to where I wanted to go.
Systems go.
I wanted to try and get to the upper left to Expo there.
What you got?
Oh, that
I'm
blows.
all geared up.
Oh, that blows.
Yeah.
I'm going here. Oh, I don't. Not going there. Don't have a TP. Need to get one.
What you got? I'm all geared up.
Attack right. Coming in. Coming in full.
Systems go.
My call.
Okay.
Attacking their base down here.
Our allied town is being attacked. Yes, Lord. How can I help?
Are you watching the KWO while I'm attacking this base?
I only have one guy there, but I'm looking at it. Yeah.
Okay, he's got siege.
Screwing with him. But
Okay, I'm killing shit down here. So I'm doing good. I'm killing all his towers. I'm getting lots of experience right now. Killed all of his workers, all of his towers.
Our allied town is
running.
Killing no. I got the Sork in the base. Do the Kodo eatins if you want to.
I'm all geared up. What you got?
okay.
Get me some support on these rifles here. Give me some of my casters. Where's my siege? Where's my stuff?
Go there.
The engine's running. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
Alright, he TP'd bottom left. I had to run out.
What?
All systems go.
Oh.
Alright, I got a priest and a
We're under attack. I am
What you
yours.
got?
I got a priest and a sword. Putting them on your caster group.
All systems
So start Kodo eating the knights.
Town is being attacked.
Alright, I'm gonna start going after the siege.
I'm all geared up. I'm on top of it. Let's
Yes,
roll
Lord.
out.
Yes, Lord Chief. What do you want? We're under attack. Yes, Lord.
Killing some stuff over here.
Excellent.
Fight. Thank you.
Engine's running.
Yes,
I'm out.
excellent.
I'm all geared up.
I am yours.
What you got? I'm on top of it.
How much gold you have?
10K.
Yes.
Okay. Coming in on the left, don't know what they're doing, not watching.
Engine's running. Take your time.
I'm not even gonna retake. I could retake that. I don't think I want to though.
How can I help?
Right the
Alright, I'm gonna retake top left.
Our town is under attack. What?
Engine's running.
We're under attack. Something Yes, hello.
Building top left.
What? Full speed.
What was the 4?
Just things happening in too many different places.
Sounds about right. Oh. God, I love the little siege.
Yes, hello.
Siege whatever you want to call it.
What ails you?
A little like siege point.
Yes, Lord.
Right the way.
Understood. What task is there? Hey! Are you hero and obey? I am
All
yours.
systems go.
Okay, this is about to be fully up. Upper right is still available. Their actual expo itself is still available. I am very tempted to
What
go
task
for
is
that.
there? Excellent.
You know what?
choice.
I'm gonna.
Yes. Hey. Yes, Lord. I am yours. Are you hero and obey? Yes. Hey. Are you hero and obey? Excellent. Hey.
This
Alright,
Kodo
I'm gonna
doesn't
go.
go there.
Excellent.
Nice.
choice.
I'm gonna go retake top right.
Got it.
We got a lot of extra
Oh,
workers.
what was
so
that?
we're gonna
Uh-oh.
keep going.
Oh god, they're coming.
I'm
Oh.
all geared up.
They found it already. They're killing it. They do have TP wands. That's interesting.
Our outlying town is being attacked. What do you want? Something need doing?
Yeah.
Something need doing? Work.
Okay, taking back top right. Let's get some harass going.
Yes, Lord. What? Our
What you got?
outlying town
Coming
is
in.
being attacked.
Engine's running.
Yeah.
I am
What you
yours.
got?
We can kill some mortars, I think.
Oh.
All systems
Yep,
go.
let's do it.
Task is there.
I'm
Oh
all
yes,
geared
go.
up.
They're right in the front. Go.
Yes, Lord.
Engine's running.
Blizzarding.
I can handle that. Yeah. I'm all geared up.
Got a heal on you. Oh god, no I don't. No I do not. Where's my paladin? Why is he not with me? Holy shit, my paladin's stuck. Okay, well, I gotta fix that.
What you got?
Sorry.
Systems go.
Sorry.
Look at this. Look how he's stuck.
Engine's running.
How ridiculous of a stuck situation is that?
I
The
can-
freaking lumber mill.
What you got?
Our
All
outlying
right.
town
You have
is
a shop
being
in here?
attacked.
Dude, oh god damn it.
Yo.
I thought I did.
Can I help?
They were up here in
I am
5 seconds.
yours.
How the hell did they know?
Oh.
Engine's running.
Oh, I didn't make my shop. How did I not make my shop? I got. If you need the sanctuaries, take them. I have them on my heroes. I'll put a shop in the back of the base right now.
Okay.
All systems
Okay, you
go.
got 8.5. I have 2, and there's 10,000 in the mine I haven't touched. So I'm not gonna
I'm
worry
all
about
geared up.
expanding at the moment.
We're
Let's
under
roll
attack.
I took
Yeah,
one
you-
off
make sure you-
Pally.
Yes,
Okay, make
Lord.
sure you have
I
bats.
am being attacked.
What?
Yes,
Also,
Lord
where's my
Chief.
Kodo? Okay.
Help me.
Munch him, munch him. He deserves.
Engine's running.
He deserves a snack. He's been working hard. That Kodo.
Are you hero and obey? Hey.
Who do I kill first?
I am yours. Are you hero and obey?
Troll, yeah.
Yes, excellent choice.
Engine's running. running. I'm on top of it.
Yes.
What you be craving? Right away.
Start shredding the cliff up here for wood.
That be good choice, man.
All
I need
systems
one
go.
more pair of boots. When I have a moment, I'll try to get that.
I'm all geared up.
He's mining up there,
Being attacked.
and my tower's still there watching. That's my hall still
Yes,
watching.
Lord.
That's really funny.
I am yours. Yes.
Hear the summons.
All
Tasking
systems go.
Shop's going up in the back corner of the
Yes,
base.
Lord Chief.
Will it be hotshot?
Okay. I got more arcane towers than I can queue in a group. So I'm gonna start having you do some stuff here. But at the moment, really quick, very bottom of the map, very bottom. Double click any of the towers, any of the arcane towers in the bottom part of the map, below your spirit lodge, and that'll at least get you a bunch of the ones I don't have right now.
Geared up. Engine's running.
So get your group when you can
I can handle that.
from there, please.
What you got?
While I'm thinking about it.
Engine's running. All systems go.
I am yours.
And shop is up in the base for sanctuaries.
What you got?
Yes, Lord. Yes. Are you heroes? Excellent choice.
I
Excellent
have
choice.
protection now.
Are you heroes? Thanks to my blade.
So I had expanded up here, and they instantly came and grabbed it. I don't know how they knew I was up there,
Yes. Yes.
unless they're just using the mortar teams to non-stop scout things. So maybe that's it, and it's time to stop trying to expand unless they do a fully dedicated attack.
Yeah.
Okay, let me make my last 6 gyros.
Excellent choice. Are you heroes and obey?
Oh man.
Yes.
What
I
happened?
am yours.
I almost killed a mage.
Out
and
here,
he-
lots of knights, kodos, lots of knights, kodos. He's starting to make towers at the entrance. But go kodo up some of those knights. If you need distraction, I can join in with my heroes.
That be good choice, man.
Yes, Lord.
I'm all geared up.
I am
All
yours.
systems go.
Once again, it's up to the elves. That's right. Do you require aid?
Yeah, they're flaring the gold mines. It's coming in.
Task is there. Are you heroes and obey?
Help me, help you.
Oh. Hey.
Engine's running.
Picking off a priest. And picking off a... Oh god, hello.
Yes, Lord.
What you got?
Good.
All
Task is
systems
there.
go.
Oh god, gyros, get back. Kodo him up.
They have detection now.
Engine's running.
Yeah, well, I thought we were doing a decent distraction there for a minute. Get anything you can. Get that guy. Get that munchy munch dude. Whatever. Nice. Get him home. Awesome. And I saved my paladin. He didn't die either.
Systems go.
Task
So
is there.
good stuff.
I'm on top of it.
Nothing up here yet.
I am
What you
yours.
got?
Oh. Yes, Lord.
Engine's running.
Alright, I got 50 food. Got my full group of gyros.
Will it be hotshot?
Fully upgraded. Fully upgraded mortar teams. Tower's fully upgraded. There's another sanctuary up in the base if you need one. I have all mine.
I'm all
You
geared
have
up.
one more you need on your Shadow Hunter. Go get it.
Tasdingo, man.
Do you have an empty spot for an orb? Because I have an extra orb.
Yes, Lord.
I
Engine's
have
running.
3 orbs.
Alright, I'm gonna sell one of my lightnings because I want to have at least one orb of fire.
Good. Task
All
is there.
systems go.
Yes, Lord. I am
What you
yours.
got?
For now, I'll just leave it. The fire's the one that's triggered
I'm
at
all
the
geared
moment,
up.
but I'll leave it so that I have the
Let's roll out.
the extra damage for the moment while I have an item spot.
Yes, Lord.
Engine's running.
We're under attack.
What the fuck?
I'm not gonna use the crystal ball. I'm selling that.
Once again,
My shaman just ran out of the base so I could cross the map.
Our town is under attack.
That's all. Fine. I mean, scenic route. You got to take the scenic route. You got to see what's going on.
What do you do there?
All good.
Oh.
I trust the shaman. He knows what's up.
What you got? I can
Alright, I'm killing a guy here, trying to at least.
Yes, sir.
all geared up. All systems go.
I am yours.
Killed one.
Excellent.
Picking off guys. That's all I gotta do.
Excellent.
Pick them off.
Yes. Excellent. Heed my call. Yes. Hey, are you hero and obey?
What'll it be, hotshot?
The engine's running.
How can I
Get
help?
down, Sparky. What a good idea.
Still trying to siege. He's still doing it.
You seek me help? Right away.
He killed one tower, so
Right
good for him.
away. Tastingo.
Yes, Lord.
Engine's running.
Task is there. Our town is under attack. Oh.
All systems go.
A lot of mortar team back and forth battling going on over here if you want to get in on this.
I'm trying to do stuff out there.
What?
I'm all
Task
geared
is
up.
there.
Could be some kodo eating. He's got tanks.
Oh. Are you hero? and
Tanks just
excellent?
showed
What you
up.
got?
I'm making a priest to keep in the base to heal my guys as I TP him home. I need your caster group near my mortar team so they buff them anytime they engage.
I'm on top.
They're close. You can move them if you want.
All systems
Okay,
go.
I'll put him on hold position
What you
nearby.
got?
Where's my priest? Why is he not your team? Did my priest lose my priest? I think we did. Somehow.
I'm all geared up. I can handle that. I'm all geared up.
I am yours. Yes, Lord. Hey. Yes. Excellent choice. Hey. Are you hero and obey? Taste of my blade. Oh.
Mage is 5.5.
Yes.
Nice.
Excellent choice.
I'm behind you
Yes.
level-wise, I think.
Excellent choice. Are you hero and obey? We're under attack. Hey, yes. Are you hero and obey? Yes, Lord.
What you got?
This better be good. If you insist.
Is my
Help
aid
me.
required?
For right.
Help you.
Still haven't taken
I
it.
am
The
yours.
engine's
Do
running.
you require aid?
Tastingo.
They took this. Not any guy, not anything there if you want to go kill it quick.
Good task is there.
Mortars.
All systems go.
Yeah, on it.
Oh.
Geared up.
Yes, Lord.
Engine's running.
Good
Let's
task
go
is
out.
there. I am
All
yours.
systems
Get down,
go.
Sparky.
That be good choice, man.
Yes, Lord.
What you got?
This better be good.
What task is there?
Steam a tank.
Oh.
Hit me up with some of your gold. 'Cause I'm very slowly mining
Yeah.
the base.
I am yours.
keep-
Hey, excellent
I want
choice.
to keep.
Yes, Lord. Good task is
Geared up.
there.
I'm bringing 3 workers home.
All systems go.
Oh,
Our allies
he's here
down
with
is
the knights. A lot of
attack.
knights here. Knights, kodos, muncha muncha.
I can't get the kodos out super easily.
Help me. Help you.
Be my next big death.
Are you threatening me? Full speed ahead. Got it.
Alright, I think I can go grab that. Nine.
Full speed
I
ahead.
am yours. Oh. Are you hero and obey? Yes. Excellent choice. Hey. Excellent choice.
In. Siege.
What? The engine's
Do
running.
you require aid?
What you got?
task is there? Ice!
I'm all geared up. Let's roll out. I'm on top of
Mission.
it. Yeah, baby.
I am yours.
I got the paladin.
Systems go. I can handle that. I can handle that.
All right, I'm out.
It's running. Let's roll out. I'm on top of it. Yeah.
I think we would have had him had
Yeah.
the blade been here.
Yes, Lord.
Yeah, he's killing shit.
I know.
What do you want? We're under attack. Yes, Lord. What task?
Oh, I love that. The instantaneous my mortar teams interfired and bloodlusted the moment they attack. Oh, that's so great.
I am yours. Ice! Oh! Are you hero and obey? Oh! What task is there? Hey, yes! Are you hero and obey? Hey, taste my blade! Yes! Excellent choice. Yes, Lord. Yes, I am yours.
What you got?
What
I'm all
task
geared
is
up.
there?
What is it now?
Yes. Okie dokie. Yes, Lord.
Man.
Oh,
Systems go.
I am yours.
Killing casters, one at a time for experience.
What
I'm all geared up.
We are eating
Yes, Lord. Oh,
Systems go.
oh.
I'm all geared up.
Nice, good trap.
What
What you
task
got?
is there?
The engine's running. Let's roll out.
Oh, here we go. Now we got the fun.
Systems go.
Oh,
What you got?
I'm on that knight.
Geared up. Engine's running.
I'm on that knight.
Geared up.
Out.
Engine's running.
I am yours.
Systems go.
What
What you got?
task is there?
It be a pleasure.
Yes, Lord.
I didn't want to let him die and get the experience. I burned the
Engine's
TP.
running.
Will it be hot?
Not the best use of funds, but I'm going with it.
Systems go.
Oh, he finally killed my workers that were up here. Yep. And now he's got it expanding. He's got it going. All right, so they're planning to stay around for a bit. That's fun. Let them have the gold. We're ready.
Oh,
What you got? I'm on top of it.
You got all your sanctuaries, right? All right, double click back of the base. Back of the base, double click. I got new arcanes up. Double click. Yep, that's good.
We are enemies.
You get those, I get these. Great.
The engine's running. Let's roll out.
Use my power. We be listening.
What you got?
I am yours. Yes, Lord. Yes. Ice.
I'm all geared up.
Oh. Take my blade. Hey. Excellent choice. Oh, are you hero?
Engine's running.
What task is there?
What you got? You're gone.
Yes, Lord.
I'm all geared up.
I am yours. Oh. Are you hero and obey? Hey! Taste my blade! Ice! Ha!
The nuke from the
Yes!
breakers. The oh god. I underestimated how much damage that does. The mana burn
What?
attack.
Yeah.
Help me. Help
Oof.
you.
What task
Ellie.
is there?
That hurt.
He's running.
I am yours. Excellent choice.
Do you require aid, human?
Got it.
Lot of siege over there.
Excellent. I am yours. Are you
Bunking out of position.
Hey.
Oh god! Oh god!
Excellent
God! God!
choice.
God! If you were watching.
Yes.
Oh, I'm busy.
Oh. We're under attack.
All systems go. I'm all geared up.
Yes, Lord. Are you hero and obey? Hey. Excellent choice. Yes. Oh.
All systems go.
Yeah.
I'm all geared up. Let's roll out.
Good.
Engine's running.
Got him.
What you got?
Obey. Oh.
Engine's running.
Good. Yes, Lord.
I'm all geared up.
I am
What you
yours.
got? Yeah. I can handle that. I'm on top.
He lost his heroes. He didn't keep track of them, and they're all dying. He lost 2 of his heroes into the towers.
Yes, Lord.
What you got?
I wish I was out there, but I had to jet. He's coming in full. He's kind of hitting his big now.
I mean, I've been hitting them from the back. Going
Oh yeah,
across the
that's
top.
what's happening. Oh, that's why he's losing track of the things coming into the base, and everything dies. That's exactly what's happening right now.
Girl Pearl, your mage.
Yep, I'm watching.
I'm all geared up.
Yes, Lord.
I love when they say they got bored.
No, you got outclassed. Good shit.
I just got Bladestorm. I hadn't used it yet. I don't know. I ate some
Ah,
photos.
boo. That would have been awesome.
I love that ending. We got bored. Even though we haven't killed anything in 20 minutes, we've been killing things nonstop.
I love the
Bored.
KWO. Yeah, we definitely had a couple of good times in there where we picked some fights. Like, you know, me TP into your expo was a great call to get a couple extra 1,000 gold.
Yeah.